excited because AirVenture 2022 is less than a week away. And I am sure there's a lot of you out there who might be even more excited because this is going to be your very first AirVenture. I'm super thrilled for you. I know it can be a little bit overwhelming because there's a lot taking place. So I wanted to put together this video of my top 5 tips and tricks for people going to AirVenture for the very first time. Now, if you're going to be doing the general aviation camping, I'm going to put the link down below for 2 videos I've done specifically about that I recommend that you watch. And if you're looking about what you should bring with you for the first time, I'm going to put a link down below for that video that I did about what to bring with you on your first time to AirVenture. But this is specifically the top 5 tips and tricks for your very first experience going to AirVenture in Oshkosh. So let's get started. Number 5. This one isn't necessarily the most important, but I think it's probably the one that you need to hear first, and that is you are not going to see everything the first time. It is like saying that you get to go to the Louvre and see the entire thing in one day. Sure, you could maybe run around and physically be in every single part of it in one day, but you're not really going to get to experience it. There's over 600,000 people who attend AirVenture. I think there's over 10,000 aircraft, and I know there's over 1,300 speakers this year, so it's just not possible for you to get to go and see and experience everything during the week or however long that you're there. So just try to take a time to look at the schedule, prioritize what's important to you, and check to see, because some of the events and forums are offered at multiple times, so just because you can't see one, you might be able to attend the other. Number 4, and this one segues pretty seamlessly from number 5, and that is, if you're not aware, EAA has an app called EAA Events. You can go and download, create an account, and then you can go and look at the entire schedule for AirVenture on the app and figure out your own schedule and build it tied to your account that now you can access from all of your different devices. It's a great way to go and look through the entire schedule to see what's available, and again, look for multiple instances of the same event. If it doesn't work out for your schedule for one particular one, maybe it does for the other. And it also has lots of different maps to help you get around. So maps of the trams, maps of the buses, maps of the grounds. The one tiny footnote I will add though to this tip is that I'm going to recommend you keep a hard copy of the map, which they should give to you when you check in. Because sometimes on the grounds, the signal can be a little bit spotty, and if you can't get a signal, you might not be able to pull up the map. And so just to make sure that you don't get lost, since it's your first time going around the grounds, be sure to keep that hard copy of the map with you. Number 3, be sure to leave early and arrive early for any of the different panels or workshops that you want to attend. There's 2 reasons for this. One, some of them fill up very quickly, and if it's a workshop, for example, that has only a certain number of workstations set up where you can participate, those can fill up very fast. Certain speakers are very popular, so the actual seats that are there will fill up, and there might be only standing room only. But the other thing is, this is your first time. You might see something really cool while you're walking around trying to get from point A to point B. Give yourself the time to be able to stop and ooh and ah and take a picture or read more about it before having to get on your way. So make sure to leave early to get to places, and then try and arrive early to make sure that you definitely have space in the different panels or workshops or forums that you're looking to attend. Number 2, talk to the people around you. Everybody's there because they absolutely love aviation, so you have no idea who you're going to run into or meet, or the kind of conversations you might have. For example, I remember one night where Tyler and I went to have dinner on the grounds, and the place had these big family-style buffet tables. We ended up sitting across from 2 people who were pilots for the airlines in Australia and talking all about the differences in general aviation between Australia and the United States. It was really cool, it was really random, but it was a super fun conversation. I remember that night, and it's really fun. And finally, the number 1 tip I have for those of you attending AirVenture for the first time: remember to occasionally turn off and put away your camera and your phone. Yes, this might sound really funny coming from somebody who makes videos on YouTube, but I'm telling you, even though I'll be taking pictures and video throughout the week, even I will take the time to turn off the cameras, put them away, put away the phone, and just remember to take some time to savor these incredible experiences taking place around you without looking through a lens. Enjoy the people you're there with, enjoy the people around you, and just take it all in without having to look through the viewfinder or at your screen. I promise it's worth it. So there you have it, my top 5 tips and tricks for those of you attending AirVenture for the first time. I hope you find them to be really helpful, and I hope you have the most amazing time at AirVenture. It's truly an incredible and unique experience. Be sure to keep an eye out for Tyler and I. We'll both be there all week. I will be part of a panel called Beyond the Cockpit Women Building Aviation on Wednesday at 1 p.m. with some really incredible women. And then on Thursday, I'm co-hosting the RV Builder Bash at the Home Built Camping Pavilion. So you can definitely find us there. If you like my t-shirts, why buy planes when you can build them, or the I Survived Fisk VFR Arrival shirts, you can find those at planelady.com/store, and I'll put the link below. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so for more videos like these, and to follow along as we build our RV tent.